Hello guys, papalit tayo ng tambutso. Tapos yung tambutso nakalagay. Sound check natin. So yun yung nakalagay. So hindi ko nagugustuhan yung tunog. So palitan natin. Let's go.
I've been trying to make it for some time.